Hi dear nursing officers. Today we are discuss 10 questions. Question number 1 is eliminate antigenic material is called energy, immunity, adaptation, resistance. Correct answer is B. Immunity. Question number 2. Inflammation of mouth is called glossitis, stomatitis, cystitis, gingivitis. Answer B. Stomatitis. Painful urination, dysuria, anuria, pyuria, hematuria. Correct answer A. Dysuria. Exercise that a patient does for himself. Passive exercises, isotonic exercises, isometric exercises, active exercises. Answer D. Active exercises. Water soluble vitamin is vitamin A, vitamin B complex, vitamin D, vitamin K. Correct answer B. Vitamin B complex. Epidemiological triad comprises of agent, host, and disease. Agent, host, and organism. Agent, host, and environment. Agent, host, and infection. Answer C. Agent, host, and environment. The best source of calcium: meat, vegetable, fruits, milk. Answer D. Milk. Separation of an infected person from non infected person. Intubation, isolation, inoculation, immunization. Correct answer B. Isolation. Currently married couple where woman is in the reproductive age. Potential couple, high risk couple, eligible couple, able couple. Answer C. Eligible couple. Normal hemoglobin level 4 to 8 grams, 1 to 5 grams, 15 to 25 grams, 10 to 14 grams. Correct answer D. 10 to 14 grams. Thank you friends for watching this video. Thank you.